वेवसायीक अस्थापनांक सरकारान कारणां दाखय नोटीस धाडिल्ली. हे विशीं सरकारान हायकोर्टाकूय कळीत केल्लें. धाडल्यात त्या नोटीशींचो बेगीन विलो लावपाचो आदेश दिवन हायकोर्टान सुनावणी फुडें दवरिल्ली. बुधवारा जाल्ले सुनावणेंत ही 67य वेवसायीक अस्थापनां फुडल्या 24 वरां भितर बंद करची अशी ऑर्द हायकोर्टान संबंदीत उपजिल्लोधिकाऱ्याक दिल्या.
Agonda turtle nesting site, what has happened is the court has ordered that commercial activities in respect of 67 establishment on this beach have to be immediately stopped. The deputy collector will ensure that such activities are stopped. Actually, last time the court had passed an order on the basis of the statement made by me that the CRZ authority on the first date of hearing would consider whether commercial activities in this structure should be stopped or not. But unfortunately, the CRZ authority has not complied with that statement, and in fact they are in contempt of the court. So the court has passed this order by itself, stopping all commercial activities. There is a breach of the order by the CRZ authority, and that is how the matter was taken up today. It was heard, and this is the order that has been passed, and within 24 hours the deputy collector will stop the commercial activities in respect of these 67 establishments.